Jamie, what are you doing? Are you feeding the baby?
Yeah.
What are you feeding her?
Baby and milk.
Milk?
Yeah.
James, do you like feeding the baby?
Yeah.
Hold the bottle up so the milk can go down. There, James is holding the bottle up so the milk goes down, huh, James?
No.
Do you like feeding the baby?
Yeah.
What's the baby's name?
Yellow.
Nora. Uh-oh.
Baby and miss.
Made a mess? Okay, go ahead and give her the bottle, Bobby, James. James, give her the bottle. She's hungry. Give her the bottle. There you go. Put it. It's okay. Put it in her mouth. And hold the bottle up. There you go. Hold it up. Hold it up so she gets milk. Good boy.